You can see I have clear jars and I put them in clear jars. In today's video, I'm going to take you through the journey of how I do my organization in the kitchen. Just a few basic things that I do, and I would also love to hear from you on what you do to make your work easy and to ensure you also have a neat and nice kitchen. I'm going to start with the fridge, then I go to my pantry, and I'll just tag you along, and I want your feedback on what you think. So we're going to start with the fridge. When it comes to my fridge, the first thing I have here, my fridge is an LG, and you can check out our review of this fridge. Yeah. And if you have any questions about the fridge, you can let me know. Yes. So this is the door of my freezer. And the first thing I have here is my shopping list. Yes, you can see all the things that have run out. So every time we have something running out, we just list it down here so that we ensure that we shop on time. Our shopping is weekly, so we just ensure by weekend everything that is needed is on this list. Getting to the freezer. Wow, I have not organized the way I do, but I'll just take you through my current approach. You can see I have clear jars. Okay, my clear jars have a purpose. I store my stuff in the freezer in clear jars to make sure that I don't have a struggle every time that I need to use something and I'm just going through my containers to figure out what I want to cook. That is why my containers are clear. You can see clearly these are green peas. You can see this is maize. You can see that these are beans. Here I have a whole fish. It's on clean. That's why I didn't put it on any container. I don't have a container that fits the fish. This one, I don't know why I put it here, but this is fish fillet. So I don't know why I put it there. Fish fillet. I put it in such containers because it can fit. Here I have some bones. There was no container that was fitting, I think, at the time. I don't want to say much because I'm not the one who kept them, but I'll see how to fix this. Then here I have some meat. Then I have some green peas. My mom loves green peas. That's why you see we have really stocked them. And these are bones for her soup. Both of them. These ones, I just put them at the door, just like the way they are. Yeah. And this one too. So I don't do much, but when they're open, like this one, I should have put it in a container, but clearly it is not put, so we'll look into that. I think even these ones are also not open, that's why they're still not in a container, but otherwise I put them in a container once they're open.
Allow me to talk about our giveaway. We have a complete Meko burner and cylinder that we are giving away to our subscribers and followers on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and IG. Once we hit 10,000 subscribers and 10,000 followers. So introduce as many people as possible. Maybe if we notice someone is so dedicated, we might give something before the 10,000. But for now, our ultimate prize is the Meko burner and cylinder that we're going to give away once we hit 10,000 subscribers. So keep subscribing, keep following us on our other social media pages, and we really appreciate the 1,440 of you. Thank you so much for considering us worthy of your subscription.
So again, you will see in my fridge, everything is stored in clear containers. It makes my work easier in identifying what is there. You can see, and our storage hacks we have shared. You can see these greens. So you put serviette at the bottom, then you put your greens, and you put serviette at the top so that it absorbs the water. Same case for everything. Okay, you can see the greens. can see even the tomatoes, and you can see the other things that we have put here. These are okra. And by the way, if you have not watched our okra recipe, you better check it out. I really loved the outcome. Then here we put bananas in the fridge so that they don't become ripe. We also have some arrowroot that are not cooked. I don't know why they were put there, but anyway. Yeah, so basically that's how we store stuff in the fridge. At the door, I have my sauces, and this is okra water. Okra water is good for digestion, so you can try it out. And yeah, basically that. So when we have sliced pumpkin or butternut, we just put cling film. It works for us, so I don't have a problem with it. Then we have some probiotic yogurt. We put the eggs over there. Yeah, so basically that's it for the fridge. We come to the pantry. The pantry, for the margarine, I just leave it in the container. You can see, yeah. And then these other items, again, I put them in clear jars. I will not dwell much in it. You can see this one has maize flour and it has some leaves. These are bay leaves that I used to ensure that pantry moths don't attack my food stuffs in the pantry, and it has been working. Leave a comment down below if you watched the previous video and you practiced it and it works, because it works magic. Yeah, even here we should be having one, but I have not done much on my pantry lately. You can see even in the rice, but these are too many. So anyway, it's fine. But basically one is sufficient. These other ones I didn't put, someone else did, so that's why there are many. And you have the pasta, so everything in the pantry. If you want to make sure that there are no moths attacking your food, that's your hack. This is my next spot where I put my seasoning. Again, you can see the common thing is that everything is clear containers, and because I put in this clear container, I just opted to label them at the top to just make my work easier. Leave a comment down below with how better I can organize my seasoning, and I would also like to upgrade my containers. So if you have a plug for just slightly smaller containers than this and they are more cute, let me know. Okay, the next spot, again, clear jars. Everything in this house is clear jars, so just expect that. So we have this for tea leaves, this one is for coffee, this one is for yeast, this one is for drinking chocolate, and this one is for sugar. Yeah, so basically is just having everything in a clear jar is what works for us. So that's basically how I put my stuff in my pantry. And if you have any feedback, any other suggestions, they are welcome. And of course, I'm looking for pantry jars. So if you have an idea of where I can get them, please let me know. You can tag me on Instagram so that I can just go and check them out. I've been looking, I have not found, but if you recommend me, I'll just check them through. I have seen different, but clearly, even on Amazon, I've not seen unique ones. So just let me know if you have any idea of where I can get not complicated, just simple but nice and presentable storage containers for my seasoning.